I have a Kohler 7000 series engine and it runs rough and low power under load. It won't start with one spark plug wire disconnected. Any ideas?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kohler engine? How old is it?
It is about 3 years old. 200 hours. I just change oil and filters, etc.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler engine? What have you tried so far?
This year earlier, and I changed the plugs for the first time. Seemed to fix it. Now it is doing it again. Change the plugs again, but no luck.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The plugs do have a spark when plugged into the wire and grounded on the engine.
Hello, I am Anna. I will be your technician today. Bear with me while I read the question and try to answer it. Thanks a lot for your patience. The accelerator pump will have no effect on the horsepower. How is the fuel supply system? Are you getting enough fuel to develop the power? Fuel lines open, fuel filter clean, fuel pump producing sufficient flow to the carburetor. If you already have the throttle wide open and not producing the power, I would be looking at the fuel. Let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.